For the latest instruction manual, videos, table assembly, info, different goalie setups, etc., please visit the link below or scan this code. Maybe just lift the lid. Go this direction. Set the people up. Go this way. Hold on with the legs. The directions say do not put weight on those legs in the process of getting the table upright, because that could cause serious damage to the legs and to yourself. Use 4 very strong people. And guess what? We're having trouble finding 4 people, let alone strong people. Rotating this on its end took a lot of strength, but not a lot of danger. Just lifting it up was not such a big deal. So we're gonna leverage gravity to our favor to make this happen. Roll it the opposite way with the benches on the other side so that the leg will be off the ground and we can then reattach them and not have to lift the whole table. That's the whole idea. Or hire a very expensive mover to do this. These benches are about the right height and now they're protected with that cardboard. It's always good to hang onto the cardboard for a while on these big projects. A little bit of slippage. Is it heavy?
Yeah, it's starting to move a bit.
Want me to come over?
No, keep going.
No, I need to undo the other.
I know.
You okay?
I'm trying to be.
Okay, I'm gonna come around, lift it up. All right. It's not really supporting the table at this point. And the other leg is doing the job. These are shorter bolts, as you can see. The other side they're longer, so they took me more effort to get out. Pinching it. Looks like we're stable. Now for this leg. Already loose, I assume from my start.
Maybe on the side above it.
Yeah, just a little safety.
Right next to it.
Yeah, just to make sure it's secure. I think it'll be able to stand on its own. I don't know how much weight is actually. There we go. There's one. Okay, you all right?
Yep. Let it come.
Okay, that's the sound of the cardboard. Take out the second leg. Now, it'll come a little forward, but it should hit the lip there okay. We're gonna move the benches over here so we can rock it.
Oh good, I don't think it's gonna hold still.
Well, you're gonna hold it. All right, I think we're ready to try our teeter-totter solution. The idea is to bring down the pool table using the protected benches as a teeter-totter fulcrum, I guess. And so we can rock it on that and then reattach the other legs. Depending on how much height, we might have to adjust a little bit, but I think we can do that.
I have a question.
Yes?
These legs are long. What is the distance from here to here gonna be? I just have a feeling his legs are gonna be longer than it's sitting on here.
It might be. This is 20 inches, and this is 24. So it'll be a little longer if we put something. All right, we got some boards here, and Diane's gonna put a couple of rugs there to protect the edge of the table, I guess. Why not?
We got him.
Think through this. The middle part is recessed, so it's not even gonna hit in theory. That's the rotating table. It's just the structures on each end. That might actually kind of help it from sliding as much. Well, no. Okay. All right, positions. Got a stage for the rotation onto the benches with a couple of 2x6s on each side and then a 1x10 or so on top of that, and then the carpets. We're good to go. It should be almost the same height as the legs. I think we'll both be at each end because we have the leverage of the leg here.
But we probably shouldn't touch the legs. We should be inside the leg. I don't know.
You don't want to pinch your fingers where you're at now.
So what should I hold on to then?
The top of this table and the leg.
This?
Yeah, that'd be okay. Ready?
And then you're gonna have to go around the end there.
Well, I don't know how far.
Oh, it's gonna slide. Now we have to pick up the other end, right?
Okay, so I'll go on the back side.
And I'll come over here.
I think maybe one of us should be in front in case the bench starts to slide.
So you're gonna lift it from the middle?
Yeah, I'm gonna lift it from that little handle there.
Okay.
Right now it's stable. There I go. You ready?
Yep. Oh dear.
Okay. Where's my leverage here? Hang on.
It's working, it's working.
Where are we at on the legs?
Just almost kissing the ground.
Okay.
So if you stick each leg in the corner, it should hold up.
What I'm going to do is just try to slide it more center, just gently.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Okay.
Hey, it's stable. I'm going to,
Okay, get a leg and put it in there.
yeah, get a leg on. I'm going to do the same here. Move it over a little
Okay.
bit.
Yep. Oh wow.
By golly, I think we did it. Woo! Ready for a game of pool?
This is redneck style.
Yeah, redneck style. Well, we came from West Virginia.